I hear clicks when I do certain Qigong movements. Is it normal?
Yes, it is totally fine. The clicking sound comes from your joints. When you age, your whole system lacks qi, so it cannot function fully to produce the lube for your joints. Qigong practice can replenishing qi in your system so that it can slow down and even reverse your aging process. After you practice every day for a while, you will have less clicking sound, and you will notice your skin becomes smoother and brighter, and your hair becomes thicker and shinier, and many other aging signs will disappear.